IFM News. IFM News. IFM News. Lotto results.
Good morning, Idol Bernard. Ito yun iti resulta iti Super Lotto manipuliti 9 p.m. draw. Para iti Super Lotto 649, winning combinations are number 19, number 33, number 26, number 18, number 17, number 39. With a jackpot price of 81,897,783 pesos and 60 centavos. Daksangga sa tawa ng abak para may titi National Lotto 642. Winning combinations are number 2, number 14, number 16, number 28, number 22, and number 30. With a jackpot price of 25,051,343 pesos and 80 centavos. Congratulations! Adda mesa nga ba kada milyonaryon. Para may titi Pcso STL, first draw, ini kalman, agngiw-ngiwat nga malas, 9-13. Second draw, 27 Gis. Third draw, 26-25. Congratulations, kaditi na abak. Kadwa iti 99.5 IFM Lawag Siyak ni Idol Shanti Papi. Tatak, RMN.
IFM News. IFM News. IFM News. Lotto results.